Okay, so for the deployment, first I'm going to push this to my GitHub, the latest commit. So let's write git add git commit, and this will be the commit for video 21 and 22, and then git push. We do not need to define the origin because I have only one branch here. Okay, now with that done, now let's start working on our deployment. So first I'm going to build my app over here, npm run build, and let's see what we are getting over here. So you can ignore this is my errors. So there are many errors that we are getting, I think. Yeah, there are too many errors that we need to solve. So yeah, after doing all this stuff, I'm going to come back again, and you also do these things. First build this app in your local, sort out all these errors, and then start deploying it on the Vercel. Okay, so that way you will save a lot of time. Okay. So I'm going to fix all these errors, warnings, and come back again. Okay, so now I have fixed all the building problem on the local. Only the warnings are remaining, which is not going to do anything for initial deployment. So we can go and now start deploying our app. So now I'm going to push my code again since I have made some changes. So git add git commit, and this will be prod changes, and then git push. Okay, not git shook, git push. Okay, so while this is going, we can go to the Vercel and I can search for that project, which is Dribble. So this is not here. I can go here and authenticate myself. Now I can add it from here. Okay, so here, let's import that, and now we need to change some things. So this will be, I'm going to say Dribble here. I do not want to use the Dribble name here, and then build, and here I'm going to write Prisma generate, and then next build. Okay, and now I'm going to give environment variables, which I'm going to copy from the env file. So these are the environment variables and these are the values. I'm going to change this later, but I can pretty much guess what this will be. So I'm going to actually write this dot Vercel dot app, and yeah, now let's deploy this. And now we have a problem here, that module not found. Okay, Prisma adapter. Okay, I think we do not have this module here. So where it is being used, it is being used in the auth file. Let's go over here in the auth.ts, and I think this is here, and this should also be inside a packet.json. So I'm just going to copy this and find it here. Okay, we do not have that, so might as well add it here. And also I'm going to add one more file here, .env .example. Okay, Okay, so I have added the example environment file as well. Now let's push the code again, and now let's go over here again, and I'm going to redeploy this. Let's wait 1 2 3 redeploy, and now this is going to take which deployment. It is not writing over here, but this should use the latest deployment. Yeah, fixed prod error 1. Let's expand this. Okay, so we have some warnings which we can fix later, and we have some null values and defined values. This does not matter. And now we are generating pages, and now we are deploying the outputs. So I think everything went smooth, and now we should have our page in a few moments. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to the dashboard, and yeah, this is the, and yeah, the domain is Dribbble.vercel.app. So I was right. So we do not have to actually redefine the next public URL that I just added in the environment file. Okay, so now let's go here and let's see if this is working. Okay, you get this Vercel toolbar if you are on the same browser where you are using this Vercel. And now let me refresh. Now we should get our, okay, the reason we are not getting the data over here is because if you see in the logs, I'm making too many mistakes over here. You can see that we're getting this error, and the reason is that we have not provided the database URL over here. As you can see, do not have the database URL, so I'm going to add the URL over here. So I have just added the URL, and now after this you have to redeploy your app. So let's redeploy this. Okay, so the deployment is ready again. Let's open this again, and now we should get some data this time. Okay, let's dismiss this, and yeah, now we are getting the data. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, everything is working great, fine, and I can go to each individual pages, and everything working fine. I cannot go to the share work. I think, yeah, I need to log in first. And yeah, I think we are done with this application. We are also done with the deployment, and this was all for this series. If you liked the whole series and this project, please leave a comment and like this video, and also do subscribe to the channel for this kind of content. Okay.